Hello, I'm Colin Bradley. I thought it would be rather nice to show you how I set about producing a new landscape picture, where I get the ideas from and how I kind of find the characters, etc. Well, I started off by finding this rather attractive picture, and I thought, wouldn't it be nice if we could put some characters in here, because it's a nice country lane, a very well positioned and composed picture, and maybe some sheep or cows or something in the background. I didn't like this post here. That's the one thing I didn't like. It was too in your face. So you'll see in a minute I moved that. Anyway, I started off with that. That was my stage, if you like. So what are we going to put on it? Well, I thought a few little characters in here, a couple of children maybe, and a chappie. So I found this on the internet. And I thought, well, it's too crowded for all of them. So what we'll do is we'll have the father and son here. They can be about there. And then down here we'll have one of the other little fellas here. It'd be much smaller because it's further away, perhaps leaning over the fence. Good idea, yeah. And I've got some sheep here, look. And I thought I can't have too many, but I thought this would be a good variety of sheep to put into the field. Some here and some here. I'd have to change some of this because it really was too much of it in the foreground. And we've got some, as I say, some sky-ish. It's actually not sky, it's going to be trees in the background, but they'd be very light. Like that, in fact, very similar to that. I might put a bit of skying, I don't know yet. That all depends on how it works out. So let's show you how I actually sorted this out. Now you see here we've got father and son, and the other little lad who's viewing the sheep. He's older, and he's encouraging the youngster who's straining at the leash here to go and join him. So I thought there's a nice little story there. And over here you see this is where I got rid of the post. I got it from here and I put it over there, which is better, and it gives us some nice open area. You have some sheep here, some sheep there. There's a copse here, which I'm not sure whether I'm going to put in or not. I think I probably will because it fills the picture up nicely. Very well composed. And over here, as I say, this is where the sky or the trees will be. I might put sky. I've got enough room there to put sky and some distant trees in, which will be very much out of focus. And then we've got the trees here with some foliage here, which I enjoy doing. And of course, this is the track. So there we are now. I've already got my pencils sort of worked out. I've got probably more than I'm going to need, but I like to get them set out to start with. And if I want any more, I can stop the video and find them. But I think I've probably got a good representation there of the colours that I'm going to need. I've got the blues for the sky, maybe the clothes, some reds again for clothes, and the ochres and the browns for the trees and other areas, and then of course a lot of green in this. And we got the sheep with the greys and the ochre, ivory and white. So I think it was just about, didn't I mention the blues? The blues for the blue sky and the same for the clothes. Yes, I did. Colour shapers at the ready, double-ended eraser, and I think we're really ready to go. Now I'm going to show you the picture at the end so you'll see how it's actually turned out. So I've just got to get to do it now. So I'll see you soon. Well, there we are, folks. I told you I'd show you the finished picture, and I think you'll agree that that has come up really well. Now, all of those photographs I showed you originally and the line drawing has really turned into quite a spectacular picture. I hope you've enjoyed that, and it's given you some encouragement to have a go at something of your own that you made up. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.